Today I'm going to show you 5 amazing things that happen when you cut a hole in your sponge. And yes, these are from the Dollar Tree. Now you can get an entire pack of these sponges at the Dollar Tree, but these are my favorite. I feel like they are the highest quality and this side is not too abrasive. Now you see right here, there's already an indentation, yes, but we're actually going to cut the hole this way. I'm going to be using the yellow one today. You can just take a kitchen knife to do this. If you have box cutter, that works too, but you want to make sure that your hole is nice and small. Why? Because that's perfect. You're going to take the end of your spoon right here and you're going to stick it on in there. I needed 2 hands to do that one, but look at this. Ta-da! I know this is the strangest looking thing, but 5 ways this is going to blow your mind. And I'm saving the best for last. Grab your favorite all-purpose spray or duster. Give it a good spray. I don't know how this happens, but in my kitchen, underneath the garbage bag, so much junk collects, and then you're bending down in there. No, 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 my friend. Just get your sponge, and because each side has a different scrubbing capability, it can work on your tough jobs too, which means less having to bend over and strain your back. In between your car seats, no problem. Right in the door is also a tricky area to get clean. Underneath your sinks, this area is gross. Go-go gadget arm. Yes. Underneath your chairs, benches, couches, not to mention dusting the top shelves in your closet is now a breeze. This is a bonus tip right here, but how about down in those vents? And this one right here is probably my favorite. We're gonna spray both sides right here. You're gonna be impressed with this one. It's gonna save you a ton of time. This fits perfectly in between your blinds, and you can get both sides easy peasy lemon squeezy. And you can get up high because you have this nice extension. And the sponge is still good for non-spoon uses. If you love all things cleaning and life hacks, click the video on screen now, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you, my friend, in the next one.